Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard to protect electronics. Remove the spacebar keycap with a keycap puller. This exposes the stabilizers. Next, identify the stabilizer style because you will remove its clips or unscrew mounts. This protects the spacebar from bending. Once done, open the case if needed by removing external screws. Make sure to keep screws organized so reassembly is straightforward. If the keyboard is hot swap, you can skip solder work and proceed to switch remove. Now you'll remove the switch itself, and the method depends on your keyboard. If it's hot swap, align a switch puller, compress the tabs, and pull straight out to avoid bending pins. If it's soldered, heat each pin with a soldering iron and remove solder with wick or a pump so the switch can be freed. This prevents PCB pad damage. Once solder is cleared, gently wiggle the switch while pulling. Don't yank. Also make sure stabilizer halves are separated so the spacebar assembly can come free cleanly. To finish, seat the new switch into the plate or socket. If soldered, place pins through PCB and solder clean joints so electrical contact is solid. Reassemble stabilizer components and reinstall the spacebar keycap, checking that the bar moves evenly and doesn't catch. Once reassembled, plug in and test each press in a key tester or text editor so you verify proper actuation. If the switch doesn't register, check for cold solder joints, misaligned pins, or a stuck stabilizer, and correct the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.